Hello, children. I hope you are all doing well. Children, I have already sent you notes, glossaries, and summaries of different chapters. But this is my first attempt for you, a video lesson for you. This is the first time I made for you. Hope you will love this. So today's chapter is Festival of North Istria. Again I repeat, Festivals of North Istria. You know, there are 28 states in our country, and our state Odisha is in the east part. As you know, in our state we celebrate different festivals. Festivals gives us fun, happiness. We enjoy a lot during festivals. Similarly, in this chapter, you will learn about the festivals celebrated in the northeast part of India. You know, during festivals, we are very happy. We wear new dresses. We eat lot of delicious food. It gives us happiness. Festival is for our joy. We enjoy a lot during festivals. You know, our beautiful land, our beautiful country is known for its tradition and culture. India is a land of fairs and festivals. Different people of different communities celebrate different festivals in different seasons and months. It is well said that Bara Masare Tera Parva. We celebrate Bara Masare Tera Parva. We celebrate sometimes Holi, Saraswati Puja, Ganesh Puja, Dasera, Rath Yatra, different festivals we celebrate. We are very enthusiastic during festival seasons. It gives us relaxation. We enjoy a lot during festival seasons. हमको बहुत खुशी लगे जेतेबेले दशहरा सीजन आसी जाए, दुर्गा पूजा छुट्टी आसी जाए, गणेश पूजा आसे, खुशी लगे कि नहीं? Similarly, in this chapter, you will learn about how the people of Northeast India celebrate their festivals. What are the festivals? What are the speciality about their festivals? You will know the festivals of Northeast India. How the people in Northeast India, in Northeast region of our country, celebrate their festivals. What are the festivals? What are the name of the festivals? How do they celebrate? Why they celebrate? As you know, there is a specific reason behind each celebration in our country. Similarly, in Northeast India, different festivals also observed, and what is the reason behind their celebration we will know from this chapter. So let's start this chapter. Let's go through this chapter. So all of you have books. You can open your book at page number 47. The title of our chapter is Festival of Northeast India. Very simple. Again I repeat, Festivals of Northeast India. Let's go through the text. You can see in this picture the northeast part of India. It is a far off region of our country. पिक्चर रे तुम मैंने देखि पारुथुव जे आम देशर अभ्यंतरीण अंचल नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया किपरि बहुत दूर रही. सो टू नो द डाइवर्स cultural heritage of our country, we must know about North East India, the festivals of North East India. It will bring unity. When you know each other, it will create unity. So let's go through the text. Look at your book at page number 47. The Northeast India is a collective name for the easternmost parts of India, representing both a geographic and administrative division of the country. The region comprises 8 states, namely Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Sikkim, Tripura, and Nagaland. The contiguous 7 states Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura are commonly described as the land of 7 sisters because of their interdependence on each other. On the other hand, Sikkim is geographically not a contiguous part of the Northeast region. It is separated from the Northeast by Siliguri corridor, so it is not included in the land of 7 sisters. However, Sikkim has happily taken up the role of being a little brother to the amazing 7 sisters. Students, before you understand the first paragraph, I make you clear that in your book there is a printing mistake. As it is written, there are 8 states, but it is mentioned only 7 states. In the first line, Nagaland is missing, and in that next line, Tripura is missing. So, while reading the text, you should add Nagaland and Tripura. So, let's understand the first paragraph. The Northeast India is a collective name for the eastern region parts of India, representing both a geographic and administrative division of the country. So here there is a phrase collective name. What does it stand for? It stands for collection of the names of the 8 states. The Northeast India, it stands for the collection of the names of the 8 states. What are the 8 states? Assam, 2 Arunachal Pradesh, 3 Manipur, 4 Meghalaya, 5 Mizoram, 6 Nagaland, 7 Tripura, and the last 8 is Sikkim. These are the 8 states that comprise Northeast India. The contiguous 7 states. The word here contiguous. I have already given you the words and glossary. The contiguous means, here the word contiguous means touching, sharing the boundaries with each other. What does it mean? It means the contiguous 7 states. There are 7 states whose boundaries are touching to each other. They share their boundaries to each other. They share their borders. Means ସେମାନଙ୍କର ସୀମା 7ଟି ରାଜ୍ୟର ସୀମା ପରସ୍ପର ସହ ସନ୍ନିହିତ. That is called contiguous. Which are the 7 states? The 7 states are Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram and Tripura. They are contiguous and they interdepend on each other. As these 7 states are contiguous and interdependent on each other, so they are called land of 7 sisters. The 7 states consist 7 sisters. You can see in this picture Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, all these states boundaries are contiguous. Means their boundaries are touching to each other. But you can locate in this picture where is Sikkim. Sikkim is separated, though it is in the Northeast India, but it is separated from the 7 states by a corridor, Siliguri corridor. You can see in this picture very clearly. So, Sikkim has taken happily the crown of, or it plays the role of a little brother to the amazing 7 sisters. It is very interesting, the 7 sisters and 1 little brother Sikkim. So you must memorize collective name, the Northeast India collective name, 7 sisters, land of 7 sisters, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura and Nagaland, and Sikkim is separated